So we want to register on this Bet88u now, so that we can see whether we'll be able to win this free 30,000 naira that we have been hearing about. Because it's like as if the money is being selected for just some few people. It's just some few people that are holding this money, and we like this, we are not touching the money. So we want to go through the processes. So this is get 3,000 naira. So what is there is that we want to register on this platform. So we want to register on this platform. So what we just have to do is, let's use our email address. We want to give in our email address. So let's give in our email address. Let's give in our email address so that we'll log in on this platform. Yes, this is our email address. So let's give in our password. Let's give in our password. Let's give in our password for someone. So let's register. And let's register. Please, my name is Bet88u John. If you love my content, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button. And if you have withdrawn from this Bet88u, please drop your comment in the comment section, because I've been hearing stuffs about them. Okay, it's a registration successful. So I don't know what this one they are saying. That time normal. Confirm. Alright. So let's okay. That time normal. So alright, I'm not depositing money. Please don't deposit money on this platform, please, because some of this platform are not to be trusted to be okay, we have 3 spin to be depositing your money. So let's click on confirm. Let's click on confirm. Alright, so this is the platform Bet88u. So let it load and open, so that we can continue with our free spin, because I've already registered. We have a 3 free spin which we want to use and try our luck. Because this platform, from what I've noticed, this platform is purely luck, because you can try your best but you still not make this money. So let's log in. What's happening now? Let's log in. Right, don't know, my network is actually bad. Okay, so this is our free spin. We have 3 free spins. So let's hit it down. We have hit the first one. Shit, we have just 29,940. Now when you start on this platform, you must surely have 29,000. So let's go again. Let's hit it. Please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and you can also check some of my videos if you love my content. Shit, what is happening? I'm just left with this so let's continue. So we are just left with 14 naira. So let's hit our spin again and see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. How much? They gave us just 1 naira. So now let's see. For us to have another spin is that we'll click on this more spin here. Click on this more spin. What we do is we click on share. This is how you can have more spin. Click on share. Yep. So we have 1 spin. We are not sharing anything. So let's go back. We'll confirm. So let's go back. We'll spin again. Let's see how it goes. We don't need 39 naira to complete our money. We have 10 naira. Alright, how much do we need next? So we need 29 naira. So let's go again on another spin. So we have join Telegram. So let's go back. So we are yet to have this one. This is because, okay, we have it. We'll confirm. Let's confirm and go back. So let's spin again. Let's spin, let's spray, let's spray, let's spray. Come on. What do we have? We have just 10 naira. So now for we to be able to, let's confirm. Alright, so now what we just need on this platform is around 19 naira for us to complete. Okay, 29 naira. So you can click on this more spin here and invite your friend for you to have another to continuously having spin. And again, you see this time that is counting here. I have 71 hours 54 minutes 57 seconds that is counting. This is the time that is still left for me. So what is going to happen is that tomorrow by this time I'm going to log in back on this platform and I'm going to spin, and luckily I'm going to hit the jackpot. So if you watch the video, don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button so I can continue getting update anytime I share videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And if you have withdrawn from this platform, please drop your comment, because I'm not seeing a reasonable person that have withdrawn money from this platform. I'm not seeing anybody. Everything I'm hearing is audio. So that is just it. Thank you so much.